In this video, I want to show you a unique strategy for Fiverr that literally I have made thousands of dollars from the same buyer who started for, let's say, $15 or used to be as little as $5. And so I have a gig.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
I will be your Udemy coach. And that's exactly what this gig is. I get on a Skype call with people and I coach them on Udemy. This is for people who want to start a course on Udemy. In your case, just like my competence and experience is Udemy courses, you might help people with whatever else, design, building websites, marketing, whatever, right? What happens in this gig is a lot of potential new instructors contact me and I talk to them. And some of them, I just help them and that's it. But some of them, I think, there's synergy there. Maybe we can do a course together. And basically what it allows me to do is to take their expertise and combine it with my marketing and partner with them. Okay, so I'll show you a partnership course that I created. It came literally from a client who bought this gig. It started with, I think at that time was actually $5. Now the basic gig is $15. I don't know, maybe they bought a standard package. It almost doesn't matter because these beginner prices are very small and negligible. But because the prices were small, that potential client was able to work with me. They had minimal risk of starting to work with me, so they tried my service, and they were an Android developer. And at this time, I had a very popular mobile app marketing course. You see, so there's synergy. He was able to create content on how to develop apps. I created content on how to promote apps. So I suggested to him, why don't we make a course together? And I'll show you that course. This is that course on Udemy. We see it was from a long time ago. Actually, we launched it in 2015. So it's been a number of years, but you see we have a lot of students in here. Obviously, this course is a little bit dead now because Android has new updates all the time, every couple of years. So this particular course became outdated, but not before myself and this instructor. You see, it's basically created by Val Okafor, that's my partner on this course, and me, that's my name there. So we became partners on this course and we split the revenue. And so over time, we made over 4 figures. Each one of us made over 4 figures. My partner, he was able to take advantage of my marketing expertise, and I was able to have a course which I wouldn't be able to make on my own because this course, even though I can create mobile apps, creating a course on that requires a lot deeper expertise. So I wouldn't be able to make that, but he did. And so we combined our strengths, and I only found him on Fiverr. That's how we got started. And so when you create your gigs, always you can watch out for a lot of buyers. Well, like most of them, you can't work with them. Like most of them, you cannot partner. But if any one of them has skills that are complementary to yours, and you'll have clients who do all sorts of things, but whenever one is a really good potential partner or can help you in some way, you let them know. And the value of Fiverr is that all the time you'll be coming across new ambitious business owners who have some skills. Most of the time, it's not going to be a match. There is not going to be synergy. But every once in a while, there is. And the way that I did this course, I did a number of other courses, like a few other courses. Sometimes I'm listed as a second instructor. Sometimes I'm not listed as a second instructor and I'm privately there. But at the same time, I'm able to take a little bit of revenue from the expertise of other people by helping them achieve actually more than they would have on their own. And that's a strategy that you should watch out for and keep in mind when you're creating your Fiverr gigs and when you're delivering your Fiverr gigs. Whenever you come across smart entrepreneurs, business owners with a lot of good potential who have complementary skills to you, you can think, what can I do with them? Maybe there is some partnership opportunity. Maybe there's a business relationship there. And think in terms of business relationships. Business relationships will make you more money than just using people for some quick make money project. Because business relationships, they make you money years on top of years on top of years. Because this instructor and I, we don't make money on Udemy only. We've sold this course to companies. We've sold this course to a lot of places independently of Udemy. So it's been really fruitful. And in this video, what I want to point out is that for you, think of opportunities like that for whatever your niche is. You can do something with your buyers on Fiverr. Again, not all of them. Some of them will just be a buyer and that's it. But every once in a while, there will be someone smart and special. And with them, you can actually start to work with them. And that can have fantastic results like the course I showed you here in this video.